What's the meaning of blood relation? Blood relation. Blood relation.
Blood relation. Blood relation. Blood relation refers to a biological connection between two or more individuals. It is a term used to describe the family members who share a common ancestry and genetic makeup. The concept of blood relation is based on the idea that individuals inherit specific traits and characteristics from their parents and ancestors, which are passed down through generations. Blood relations include immediate family members such as parents, siblings, and children, as well as more distant relatives such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Understanding and acknowledging one's blood relations is important for building and maintaining familial connections, cultural traditions, and personal identity.